All right, next question, solve. Okay, who wants to tell me what would be the first step? What do we have to do here? Those of you with the microphone, you can go ahead and click on your microphone and tell me. Okay, those of you who don't have a microphone, you're typing. Catherine says factor by grouping. Marshall says, okay, anybody wants to tell me how to factor this? If I open two parentheses here, what should I put for 4x squared? For x is pretty obvious, would be x and x. Okay, I have two possibilities here I can make here, 1 and 4 or 2 and 2. Okay, anybody wants to give me your idea of each one with the microphone? Which one should I use? 4?
I did it as 4x minus 5.
Okay, so you are going to put 4 here, you say. Let's do that. If this is 4, this would be 1. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. And then Shannon, what did you pick for 10 for these two terms?
5 and negative 2.
Right. 5 and 2. So we select 5 and 2. We worry about the sign a little bit later. So first of all, we could put either 1 or 10 or 5 and 2. If I use 5 and 2, if you look at the two closest term here, would be 5 times x would be 5x, and here we have 4x times 2, that would be 8x. Now the question is, can I make 13x or minus 13x out of these two? Yes, I can if both of these were minus. So now this is how we can select the correct sign. So this is how you factor this. So we get 4x minus 5 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. And don't forget we're solving this, so it will be 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x equal to 5. Add 5 to both sides of the equation and divide both sides by 4. So first answer would be 5/4, or x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. That would be your second answer. All right, this is how you solve for this. Okay, question from Shannon. Go ahead, please.
Will we have to show both answers, x equals 5/4 or x equals 2, or will just one answer be fine?
Well, when you have a second order equation, you expect to get two solutions. Okay, if this were a third order equation, if this were cubed, then you expect to get 3 solutions and so on. So yes, you need to show both solutions here. You can actually verify if both of these are correct by substituting for each x2 or 5/4, it should add up to 0. So both of these are your solutions. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
All right.